In the last movie, we got the basics of working with branches. And by now, you should be able to create a new branch off of your master branch and use it to try out new ideas or to implement new features. But what about when you're done with it? What about when your idea turns out to be successful or the feature is finished and you now want to bring those changes back into the master branch so that they're part of the main project? Well, in order to do that, we need to merge them back in. And that's what we're going to learn how to do in this movie, how to bring those changes back in by merging one branch into another. So at the moment, I'm on my SEO title branch, and we know that because in the last chapter, I installed this command prompt that will show me what branch I'm on. So I'm on SEO title. Let's remind ourselves what the other branches are. We have the master branch and the shortened title branch. What I want to do is I want to merge the changes that we made from SEO title into the master branch. Now, if you don't remember what those changes were, we know how to do that. Diff master dot SEO title. And there's the changes. We just added this bit of text here at the end. So what we want to do is bring that change back into master so that it exists there as well. The first step is that we want to make sure that we check out the branch that things are being merged into, the receiver. So let's do that. Let's do get checkout master. So I'm in the master branch now. So the master is going to receive the changes that are in SEO title. So from the master branch, I now tell it get merge SEO title. It's that easy. Just get merge SEO title. And it says updating, fast forward, tells me summary of the changes that were made, and that's it. Let's take a look now. Let's say get log. This is the master branch log. And look at here. The top commit here is modified title of index.html. And sure enough, if we now go here and we open up index.html, we'll see that our change is in fact there. So it took the commit that was an SEO title that it did not have, that snapshot of changes, and it brought that change into the master branch. So in the simplest of cases, that's all there is to merging. You check out the receiving branch, then you say get merge, and then the target branch or the sending branch where you're going to be getting those changes from. And that's it. So one last step that I want us to do is let's just clear our screen and let's do our get diff again, this time between master and SEO title. And it comes back and tells us that there's no difference between them. And if we were to use get branch -- merged, which we also learned when we were comparing different branches, it'll tell us that SEO title is fully incorporated into master. If we wanted to, now we can completely delete SEO title. We could do it with the lowercase d option, and it would be deleted. Now there's one good tip. Merges can be complicated. Merges can get hairy, and we're going to talk about what to do in those cases in the upcoming movies. Because of that, you always want to run git merge with a clean working directory. You don't want to have any uncommitted changes. You want to go ahead and get all of those out of there. You can stash them, which we'll learn how to do later. You can go ahead and turn them into commits, but have a clean working directory, and that'll give you a good clean workspace where you can sort out problems with your merges.